Welcome to the Super Duper Digital Library. Let's explore Pirate Talk. Choose a token for each player up to 6 players. Then choose a spinner. Select Next when you are finished. In this menu, choose a deck from the 5 categories: School, People, Home, Community, and Activities. Select which prompts to show on the card. You can choose to show only the receptive prompts, only the expressive prompts, or both sets of prompts. Now you are ready to play Pirate Talk. Click Next to begin. The pulsing token indicates which player's turn it is. You can choose a different player by clicking on the player's token on the right side of the screen. Players take turns answering the prompts and moving their tokens around the board to collect gold coins. Select Draw Card to display a card. Both the picture and the prompts will be shown. Click Hide to only show the picture. Click Show to display the prompts again. After the player completes the task, click New Card to show the next card, or click the X to move to the game board. Click Spin the spinner, then move the pirate tokens the number of spaces shown. Players can move in either direction on the board. When players land on an island, they receive the number of gold pieces shown next to the island. Collect the gold by clicking Click Here above the coin, or by clicking on the treasure chest in the top right corner. The number of gold coins each player has is displayed on the pirate tokens on the right side of the screen. Gold coins can be added or removed from each player by clicking the plus and minus signs that appear when the cursor hovers over the player's token on the right. Click Next Player to move to the next player. If the player draws a bonus card, he or she receives an extra gold coin for answering the prompts. After the player answers, select Click Here above the bonus coin. When the session is over, select End Game in the top right corner. The player with the most gold coins is the winner and will have the biggest pile of gold. Thank you for being a Super Duper customer. We hope this helps you reach your therapy goals.